This thing's a geared front driver, probably 1892 to 94. Most of the versions of this were English machines that used like a planetary gear, which is a gear on the front axle with 4 smaller gears running a gear ring. That was the most popular version. But we don't know who made this thing, but it seems like it was made probably in Chicopee Falls, Mass. By the Ames Manufacturing Company. They made a lot of armaments for the Civil War, so they were tooled up, and then by the time the bicycle boom happened in the 1880s and 90s, they had all the tooling, huge manufacturing process for bike builders.
Right now I'm just kind of working it around. Both sides up, and it looked good. Okay.
I'll
Let it down a little bit like that.
I'll hold it. Keep an eye on it.
It's getting tight.
Oh, yeah, let's see.
It's getting pretty tight.
You guys need a hand? Just remind me of last year. Hand, dude. Yeah. Harris, what do you got here? You go to consultation?
There's a little squid on this side, so you don't want it too close to it. There you go. I think you did. You did. Good fucking job, dude.
Yeah?
All right, let's
What bike can you do that on?
Edwin?
On what?
You need a video?
This is a booklet of advertising die cuts. These are just a lot of standard safety bicycles from the period of 1892 to 94. Most of these are dated 92 or 93. But there's one cut in here. These are all what are called geared front drivers. So these are very similar to this oddball machine we have here at the old Spokes home that use that crypto planetary hub. This bicycle actually might be a patent model. The cool thing about this bike is it's all here, all original, and hasn't really been messed around with. It was found down in Providence, Rhode Island, and then the fellow, or the place where I got it from, was a very well-known bicycle museum in Buffalo, New York. It's a lot of English componentry, like these handlebars, the pedals, the hub. The rear hub is a Rudge hub. But this thing, I don't even know what to call this type of gear. There's got to be a name for it in engineering terminology. Greg came up with the concept or idea of it being a tangent gear, but I've never seen anything like it.
Which is, this is like this.
It had been painted over, and Greg very carefully cleaned some of the overpaint, black paint off of it. But it was found in Providence, Rhode Island by this collector in Massachusetts. He sold it. It was sold at auction to the museum in Buffalo. And that museum has just dispersed all of its collection. And I was fortunate enough to know the person who was doing that, and he offered me this, and I bought it. Pneumatic tires, 36-inch front wheel, 20-inch rear wheel, and probably geared up to 72 to 78 inches, thereabouts.
Yeah.
2 to 1.
Just shy of 2 to 1. Yep. Look how slowly those cranks are moving.
Yeah.
That is phenomenal. Yeah.
So, but here, yeah, let me just.
This thing is cruising. Look at how it.
Yeah, make it go kind of slow.
Now, if
maybe.
we resist it, it goes. It slides back.
Hard. Yeah.
Yep, but that's it right there. This is probably the 35-inch wheel, probably 36 or 38 where it touches the ground.
Yeah, because the
So,
tire adds
just shy of twice that.
76.
So probably, yeah, 72 to 76.
Mm-hmm. like the fork a lot.